Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend and ready for a cracking week. Today I'm going to play with some junk envelopes that you get on your post, and we're going to create a pretty little pouch. I am obsessed with little recycle projects like that. They're super easy to make. You don't have to think a lot because it's just a gluing collage exercise. So keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay, guys, so this is a proper junk journal in the actually true origins of the name, because junk journal means journal made of junks. And I've got two letters here, actually envelopes, and I just want to make, yeah, I think I'm gonna fold them in half. I want to make some little pockets with them. Yeah. So I wanted to do, yeah, I want to make a little pocket to go in one of my journals. So I'm going to cover them and save this lovely window, and definitely keep this one because I truly like that. And then of course I'm just gonna cover that with some paper. I think I'm gonna do one like that. Should we do, let's make them the same. Yeah, let's make two the same. Okay, so what I want to showcase to you guys is one of my favorite digital papers, which is called Vintage Flora. Vintage Flora, as the name suggested, is a collection of digitals which I created mixing the vintage element of the music sheet notes paper with some real dried flowers. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly showcase the kit to you. So there's one page with all 4 different backgrounds, which I'm going to use today. You get a large, very large envelope. So this is an A4. So that's the tabs, and that's the front, actually the top. You'll get a couple of pages with some tags. Love that. I think it works. Everything with music sheet and flowers, I think it really works. And then you've got different size and colors tags. Then you've got full size background. So this is the entire sheet. Oh, I love that. Oh, this is one of my favorite. That's quite nice as well. Some roses. Kind of that. Then you've got another page with tags. And then I just gave you 2 geometrical background because I think that will work really nice. What do you guys think? So the only thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to do off camera, guys, because it's a collage exercise, I'm going to use some of these and I'm going to cover the envelope completely. I'm just going to keep this lovely window, and I'm just literally gonna glue paper on top. That's the only thing I'm gonna do. No science or anything. And then I'm gonna show you some decoration ideas. Okay guys, so I completely covered it literally by gluing paper on top. This is literally the only thing you need to do. So that's my pouch, and of course I glue the bottom, so it's a proper pouch. And I think this is super cute if you put in your journal. It's a floating pocket. You can, I don't know, have I got any tags? Let's have a look. I mean, we made this the beginning of the week. Yeah, so you can put anything, like little ephemera holder storage bit. So I think it's adorable. You see that I literally use every single scrap to cover it, and then I have distressed with the, what color is this, vintage photo. Okay, so I think it needs something. I think it's a bit too plain for my liking. I really like the numbers on the back, so I left them. But what you can do as well, you could, I don't think it's gonna fit, but you can put some paper inside, so it's gonna be a surprise you know, like the window. People might not understand straight away there's a pocket, although you can see the plastic bit. But I love these little numbers there. I don't know why. So I thought I needed something, and I've got some ephemera in my little ephemera box. I can't even remember this tutorial ages and ages and ages ago, and I think it fit perfectly there. So just gonna put a couple of strips of double-sided tape. I am obsessed with double-sided tape over glue. The reason is I find glue stick, or actual like Mod Podge, which is my favorite glue on the planet. When you play with wet glue, I always think my project tend to like wobble a little bit. With dry adhesive, this doesn't happen, of course. So hence why I tend to use double-sided tape all the time. Okay, right, let me move. Oh, what's going on in here? Stay there, don't move. Okay, let me move my papers. That is it. It's a cute little pouch. Again, it's decorated front and back, but if you're planning to put this on your journal, then don't bother about decorating the bag, okay, because you're just wasting paper. But I don't know, I like the idea of being floaty, so you can put like a little paper clip, like to put on a page, and then the person can use it as they wish. Okay, so from junk to pretty. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video, and if you wish to purchase my vintage florals paper, they are listed in the info box. Okay, guys, big thumbs up. I will see you in the next couple of days for another video, and until then, stay safe and well. Bye.